Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Subs YouTube channel. Tonight we are opening an order from Brambleberry. I'm super excited about this one. We're actually recording this a little bit late tonight because we had an early Thanksgiving dinner. And this came right before we had to go, so figured I'd do this tonight because we have other soap projects that I need to get done before all of the holiday markets coming up. So here's our box, all nice and packed up, and we will reuse all this so we don't just throw it away. Oh, I like how they did that. See, I would have just tossed this in the junk room. But the first item we've got is our Gingerbread Cookie Fragrance Oil. I can't wait to smell this. Let's see. Apparently it smells just like a gingerbread cookie would. Oh, I can already smell it. As soon as that tape came off, I could smell it. That does smell just like gingerbread. Oh, that smells good. Yum. Can't wait to use that. Accelerates in cold process. Discolors to a brown in cold process. So this is our 2-ounce bottle. And then we have some Shea Melt and Pour. We're actually going to have about 4 of these with this order. And I haven't used color blocks before, so I'm really excited to try these out. I think these are only like $1 something each, but from other soap videos I watched, a little bit goes a long way. So let's see. Okay. For use in melt and pour soap or solid sugar scrubs. Okay. So we got the Kelly green and then we got the yellow. Here's our other Shea Butter Melt and Pours base here. And then we have our Gingerbread Man silicone mold. I think it said that, so let's see. I think it says, yeah, so each of these are going to be 3 ounces, so 3 ounces per cavity. Looks like these are, oh, this is going to be perfect. Oh yes, I cannot wait. This is actually my first ever Brambleberry mold, so I'm super excited about their molds. I have almost ordered like 3 different occasions some of their molds, especially like their basically their whole bee and honeycomb collection. They've got several different bee ones that were out, and then we got our clear melt and pour base, and we got 6 pounds of that because we have a lot of projects coming up, and I still will have to place another order for more melt and pour. But we're going to do that a little bit later. So anyways, so there's our order. And this fragrance smells so great. It really does smell just like gingerbread. I'm kind of getting, I kind of was getting eggnog from it. Maybe it just has the same notes as gingerbread would have. Yeah. Ugh. If somebody baked gingerbread cookies that smelled just like this, it would not get past one day in this house. I would eat them all. So anyways, really quick, I'll show you actually the start of one of my projects. It's going to be this. It's an ocean themed soap, and it's going to be melt and pour. So we're going to be working on this tonight, and then I've got another like 150 individual soaps I'll be working on after that, so we'll be up a little bit late tonight. Alright guys, so that is it for our Brambleberry order today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you would like to see more, just make sure you hit the bell to get more, to get notifications when more videos are uploaded. But until next time, we will see y'all on Saturday. Bye.